Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this fantastic crispy potato fish ball. I am using scumbia fish, also known as titus fish, for this recipe. I will also be using Irish potato, corn flour, onions, bonnet pepper, curry powder, seasoning cube, salt to taste, green bell pepper, and vegetable oil. So, the first step is to boil your fish with salt. Once your fish is done, take it out of the pot and put in a bowl because we're going to be mashing and deboning the fish. Mash the fish into small chunks and set aside. I prefer to use my bare hands to do this because it gives me a better result than using spoon. So I'm going to be completing this with my hands. Please remove bone while you are mashing the fish. Next, boil the potato. Boil until it is well cooked and soft. When the potato is ready, take it out of the pot and place in a bowl because we're also going to be mashing the potato. Set up a frying pan. Add little quantity of oil into the pan. Hope you can see the little quantity of oil I added to the pot. This is because the recipe does not need much oil. When the oil is hot, add your onions and fry. Can you also see how small I diced my onions? This is because I don't want it to show on the balls. I don't want the onions to be obvious on the fish balls. So fry. Now add the mashed fish and fry together. As you're frying, be adding your seasoning one after the other. Adding my bonnet pepper. Add seasoning cube. Salt to taste and curry powder. Continue frying until it is golden brown. I don't like cooking my my green pepper for long, so I will be adding it when the fish is almost ready. Now adding my green pepper. This is ready. Now let's mash the potato. Please mash smoothly until there is no lumps. I will be adding the mashed potato into the fish. Mashed potato actually helps the fish to bind together when molding the fish into balls. So mix everything together very well. So this is ready for the next step. Yeah, can you see? This is what it should look like when it's ready. Here is the corn flour. I'm going to be mixing it with water, little quantity of water, and I'm going to be adding the water bit by bit and mixing until I get the desired consistency. The mixture should not be too thick nor too loose. It should be normal, like it should be in between. Normal. Just watch and see. Can you see what I have? This is okay. Here is the breadcrumbs. I actually made these breadcrumbs. So if you want to know how I made this, please watch my next video. So I'm going to be molding these into balls. After molding, I'm going to be rolling it inside the corn flour mixture, then place it inside the breadcrumbs and coat it. Mold it like you are molding your swallow, but tighter, though not very tight, so that you don't scatter it, okay? Yeah, mold it like you're molding it. Now I'm dipping it inside the corn flour mixture and wetting it with it. Then inside the breadcrumbs, I'm coating it with the breadcrumbs now. You're seeing what I'm doing, right? So this is what you should have when you do it correctly. Okay, place in a tray and set aside. Repeat this until you are through with everything. So this is what we have after molding everything. Next is frying the balls. So please fry this with medium heat. Do not overcrowd the pot with the balls. Fry until they are nicely browned. Okay, well, this is fish. You can serve this with a cold beer or a glass of wine. You can also serve it with your jollof rice, moi moi, etc. You can serve it with any type of food you wish to serve it with, because this is fish. It's just that it is in a different form and shape. In fact, fantastic and beautiful form. Presentable too. Yeah. Can you see how beautiful it looks? This is nice. Frying the next set. Listen. Did you hear that sound? Can you see how crispy and beautiful the balls look? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post new videos. Thanks for watching.